Mr. Phillip, I want to discuss some potential complications associated with the upcoming surgical procedure. While most surgeries are successful, there are always risks involved.
I understand, Dr. Mihira. What are some of the potential complications I should be aware of?
One possible complication is bleeding. This can occur during or after the surgery. We'll take precautions to minimize the risk of bleeding, but it's important to be aware of the possibility.
What other complications could there be?
Another potential complication is infection. We'll take steps to prevent infection, but it's always a risk after surgery.
How long will the recovery process take?
Recovery time can vary depending on the type of surgery and your individual health. It may take several weeks or even months to fully recover.
Dr. Mihira, what can I do to minimize the risk of complications and speed up my recovery?
Following your postoperative instructions is crucial. This includes taking your medications as prescribed, avoiding strenuous activity, and attending follow-up appointments.
Great, we'll work on that together. Mihira, quitting smoking has significant benefits like improved life expectancy, reduced risks of illnesses, and an overall better quality of life. How about we book an appointment for you at a smoking cessation clinic? They can provide additional support and resources. Mihira, I want to reassure you that quitting smoking can bring tremendous benefits to your health and overall quality of life. Let's talk about some of these positive changes. First and foremost, quitting smoking significantly improves your life expectancy. By stopping now, you can add years to your life, giving you more time to spend with your loved ones and enjoy the things you love. Your risk of serious illnesses such as lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory conditions will also decrease. Moreover, you'll notice improvements in your daily quality of life. Your breathing will become easier, and you'll have more energy. You'll also find that your sense of taste and smell improves, and your overall physical fitness can increase, making everyday activities more enjoyable. Mihira, I'd like to offer to book an appointment for you at a smoking cessation clinic. Would you like me to arrange an appointment for you?